Hello, it's Scott here with SkipperBud's. Here we have one of our 2023 Harris Grand Mariners. This is a 250 SLDH, so it's got the two captain's chairs. It's in the slate gray exterior and the moonlight gray interior with the teak weave flooring. Big nice inserts with cup holders and storage all the way throughout. It does come with some built-in cup holders. Wireless charger for the passenger. Nice dash. This one does have the SIMRAD and jail audio. This one has their power tower. It gets all lit up at night. And again, like I said, it does have the lounger in the back here. Nice big extended rear deck with a deep ladder, and of course that Mercury 400. Stereo controls in the back as well as stereo speakers in the back here. This one has the forward Bimini as well. So you have plenty of sunshade on this boat. Nice big long seats up front. Does have a nice gate, you can see through it in the front. Nice, a nice cup holder, armrest with cup holders in it. Nice with this boat, it is all fiberglass in the front here. So if you ever do pound through some waves, it's all well protected. You got nice LED docking lights. You've got your, of course, your running lights as well. So there you have it. If you have any questions, please give us a call.